Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of crochet coaster challenge. So it is day number 1 and we are using these two color. They're so pretty. So as you know that it is the Valentine month, so I'm going to make some Valentine themed coaster on the first and then we will do in general. Okay, so let's get started. You will need a little bit of white and a little bit of pink, or any other color as you wish. So we are going to make the main body with this color and a little heart shape with this color. You can of course do any of your choice. So let me do the first. Let's start. Oh yeah, this is a 4-ply yarn and I'm using a 4 mm hook. Okay, so go with your yarn and adjust your hook as your yarn. Okay, so first we want to do magic ring. You can also do a chain 5 ring, but I am doing a magic loop here. So you are making a cross like this and wrap it up. You have a cross, so take your hook from the first loop and this is your magic loop. Okay, so now take the long tail and chain 1. Okay, it will secure your magic loop. Now chain 3, chain 2. So 1 2 3, 3 chain and it will count as a DC. So all you have to do now is 11 more DC in the ring. Okay, so 1 2 3. Make sure you are working with this tail. Okay, don't lose this tail. So I will do 12 more DC, not 12, all together 12 DC, and then I will be back. Okay, I'm done with my 12 DC. Just pull this tail and it will get closed, and now all you have to do is slip stitch into the first chain. Make sure you did 12 DC. Just check one more time, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so now you have to do is chain 3, count as a DC of course, and then on the same stitch you will do a second DC. Work with this tail so that you don't have to hide it next at the end of the work. Okay, so now you have to do is 2 DC in every stitch. At the end of this row you will get 24 stitch. Okay, 2 DC into the next stitch and 2 DC into the next stitch. Do it until you reach here. Make sure you have 24 DC. I have 24 DC, so slip a stitch into the first chain. This is the row number round 2. Now round 3, and for round 3 you will do chain 3, count as a DC. On the same stitch you will do one more DC. In the next DC you will do 1 DC, and on the next DC you will do 2 DC. So this is the pattern, 1 DC in the next and 2 DC in the next. Okay, oh sorry, one DC and then 2 DC. This is the pattern. Okay, you will get 36 DC after this round. Okay, so if you don't know what is the crochet coaster challenge. Let me explain it really quick. So I'm going to share some free coaster patterns, mostly 20 plus, maybe 28. I will try to do 28 as it is 28 days in the February, but if I can't, maybe I will do 20. Let's see. So all you have to do is recreate, follow my tutorial and make one coaster for each of the tutorial and post it on the social media. You can post it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere, and you can tag me there. Like, you can use the hashtags for Shutakathi and crochet coaster challenge, hashtag crochet coaster challenge, hashtag Shutakathi. Also tag me there. Yeah, and if I find your photos in the social media, I will share it on my story. That's it. It will be very fun, I think. So yeah, you can just join it if you want, or yeah, that's it. It's up to you. It's nothing serious. You can just join it, so we can crochet together, and it will be very fun, I think. Okay, so if you did everything correctly, at the last stage you will do 1 DC and you will have 36 DC in this round slip stitch, and you will do one more round with DC. So chain 3 and at the same stage make one more DC. Now 1 DC into the next stage, 1 DC into the next stage, and 2 DC into the next stage. So now this will be the pattern. This is the basic round shape. So DC, DC, and 2 DC. Okay, if you find this video, please make sure you learn this round shape, because if I make any other tutorial with coasters with this round shape, maybe I will not do the whole round video again. Of course, I'll put the link on the description box so that you can find it out. It won't be any problem. Okay, now if you did everything correctly, you will have 2 DC left at the end of this row. So make 1 DC and 1 DC. This is the round number 4. So slip stitch on the first chain, make 1 chain and then cut your yarn, and just pull it through. Now you have a solid round shape. Okay, most of the coaster, if you make a round shape coaster, then it will goes with this. You can just decorate it with shells, flowers, and anything you want. Okay, so next part is I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to make some heart with this teeny tiny hearts. Just a second. Oh my god. So first you will do a slip knot. And then join your yarn in the first stage. Okay, you can join anywhere you want. I am doing it here. And then chain 2 and then make 3 more unfinished half DC like this. 1, 2 and 3. You get a puff stitch now. So now pull the yarn all through this loop, chain 1, one more chain, so you get 2 chain, and now again in the same stitch make 4 half DC, but don't complete it. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3, and one more, 4. Okay, and pull through all the loops together and then chain 1. Make sure you make it a very loose loop, because if you make it so much tight, then you cannot pull the yarn all through this loop. Okay, so you get now a teeny tiny heart. Can you see it? Yeah. So skip 3 stitch, 1 2 3, and on the next stitch you will do the same thing. How? Make 1 half DC, 2 half DC, 3 half DC, and 4 half DC, and then chain 2. Again in the same stage, make 4 half DC, 2, 3, and 4, and then pull the yarn all through the loops and make chain 1. So all you have to do is chain 2 between these 2 puff stitch, 1 chain in the middle, and then again 2 chain between these 2 puff stitch. Don't miss this. I will show it again. 1 2 3, skip 3. On the 4th stitch you will do 4 unfinished half DC. This is 3 and this is 4, and then pull the yarn all through this loop, make 2 chain, and on the same stitch again make 4 unfinished half DC, and pull the yarn all through these loops and make chain 1, skip 3, and continue. So now if you did everything correctly, you will get this 3 stitch at the last of the round. And now I already did chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of this heart here, and again chain 1 and cut your yarn. Voila. Yeah, so far it is good. It's not bad. It can be a little bit upward, but it's okay. At the end it will be fine. Trust the process. Again, this is not my pattern. This is just a free pattern in Pinterest I got. So yeah, I'm not claiming it as my pattern. So slip knot, and then join it into this 2 chain gap. Yeah, and then chain 3, count as a DC, make 4 more DC here, so together 5 DC total. 1 2 3 4, you got 5 DC, and in the next chain 1 gap you will do 2 single crochet. Again on the 2 chain gap you will do 5 DC, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the chain 1 gap you will do 2 single crochet. Now you can see the heart pretty well, a puffy little heart. Okay, so complete this round and you will done with your coaster. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please click the notification bell so that when I post a new coaster video you can find the notification on your feed. Also you can find my social media link on the description box. please check the description box below. And yeah, please make sure you can tag me on the Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, anywhere you are comfortable, so that I can see your work too. 4 and 5. Now at the end of this round you will do a slip stitch into the first chain, top chain of the 3 chain. Okay, so now chain 1 and cut your yarn, and all you have to do is hide the tail. And our coaster is complete. This coaster is a little bit bigger than I normally make. Normally I make 5 inches or 4.5 inches coaster, but this is about 6 inches coaster. I'm not complaining, because if you put a mug here, all the heart shapes are behind of this mug. Let me, you can see it, it's so pretty. Yeah, so yeah, I like it. It's so cute, and of course this is so pretty. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.